The preparation for this pie is very quick and simple, so I immediately make the topping. 4 whole eggs. I mix them with 1 teaspoon of salt and whisk everything together. Then I pour in 500 milliliters of yogurt, 100 milliliters of oil, and 100 milliliters of water. And then I combine everything again. Here I will add 10 grams of baking powder and 1 small cup of curdled milk. If you wish, you can add 2. Now I combine everything and our filling is ready. I grease the baking pan in which the pie will be baked with oil. We need 1 package of 500 grams of pre-made Filo dough. We will place 2 sheets at the bottom of the pan. Then we take all the remaining sheets and fold each sheet one by one into a width of 2 to 4 centimeters, like an accordion. We place each folded sheet in the baking pan. When we arrange all the sheets this way, just like an accordion, we take the topping we previously prepared, and now we pour it all between the sheets. When we finish filling, we use a brush to go between these rows to avoid having dry areas. In the bowl where the filling was, we place 1 whole egg. Add a pinch of salt and mix everything. Pour a little bit of the mixture over the pie. Then spread it evenly all over. We take the prepared pie and put it in a preheated oven to bake at 200 degrees Celsius. Here it is, the pie is baked. The baking time is 30 to 35 minutes. We will cover it with a cloth and let it cool.